You found the perfect mental health first aid course. You know it would help you and your workplace. But there's one small problem. Who's going to pay for it? If you're wondering how to convince your employer to cover the cost of your MHFA training, stay with me. I'm going to show you exactly how to frame the conversation and why it's often easier than you think. Hi, I'm Dal, a clinical hypno-psychotherapist and a principal master instructor for Mental Health First Aid Australia. Over the years, I've worked with employees, managers, and leadership teams across Australia. And I've seen how quickly organisations get on board when they truly understand what mental health first aid offers. You just need to know how to approach the conversation. Here's what works. First, focus on workplace benefits, not personal ones. When you talk to your manager, don't frame MHFA training as something you want personally. Frame it as an asset for the company. You can say things like, "This training would help me better support our team and clients." Or, "It's about making our workplace safer and more supportive, which reduces risks for the business. And it shows our commitment to psychological safety and well-being, which is becoming a legal and HR priority." When leaders hear reduced risk and better outcomes for teams, they listen differently. Next, link it to legal and HR priorities. Today, organisations aren't just encouraged, they're expected to prioritise mental health. In Australia, psychological safety is now recognised under workplace health and safety laws. You can say, mental health first aid training directly supports our legal duty of care under workplace safety regulations. Or, having trained mental health first aiders helps meet compliance expectations and protects the business. It's not just a nice to have anymore, it's becoming a must-have. And smart leaders know this. 3. Offer to share what you learn. If budgets are tight, offer extra value. You might say, "I'm happy to informally share key insights with the team after completing the course." Or I can help normalize mental health conversations within our projects or meetings. You're positioning yourself as someone who isn't just asking for investment. You're bringing something back to benefit everyone. All right, instead of, a nervous hallway chat, just write a short professional email. Keep it simple like this. "Hi manager, I found an accredited mental health first aid course that would really strengthen my ability to support our team and contribute to a psychologically safe workplace. It's practical, evidence-based, and aligns with our focus on well-being. Would the company be open to covering the training costs as part of professional development? Happy to chat more if needed." Leaders really appreciate clarity, initiative, and professionalism. Honestly, a well-framed email opens doors that a rushed conversation just can't. Mental health first aid training. Well, it reduces absenteeism, improves staff morale and loyalty, and strengthens team culture. It also shows leadership commitment to real well-being, not just posters and slogans. This isn't just for you, it's a step towards a healthier, stronger, safer workplace. And, most companies want that, especially when someone brings them a solution. If you're ready to have the conversation, you already have the tools. Head over to dalsahota.com, check upcoming course dates, send your manager the link, and start turning your good intention into real, practical action. Investing in mental health first aid isn't just good for you. It's good for every single person who walks through your workplace doors. And honestly, it could all start with you. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who's considering MHFA training. and subscribe for more real-world mental health education and career-building strategies. One conversation could change your workplace and your future.